I thought since we were doing the Itsy Bitsy Spider in Heggerty this week, we might do a fun directed draw and practice our writing. So you will need a piece of paper and a pencil, and you'll probably want to get your crayons because you're probably going to want to color your picture after we're done with our draw. All right, now for a directed draw, I don't know if you've done this before or not. You just listen to the directions, draw along with me the best you can. Now, I don't expect you to be a professional illustrator or artist. I know that I'm not a professional illustrator or artist. I just do the best that I can. So just do the best you can, follow along with me, and we'll make a picture of the Itsy Bitsy Spider. You ready? All right, get your stuff. Here we go. The very first thing that I want you to do when you draw your Itsy Bitsy Spider is I just want you to draw a nice big circle on your paper. A nice big circle for your spider. I don't know if you can see mine very well or not. It's kind of a glare. All right, now for your spider's legs, you're going to make a line out from your spider, and then you're gonna bend that line a little bit. All right, and we're going to do that because how many legs does a spider have? Yeah, 8. We're going to do 4 on this side and 4 on this side. 4 plus 4 is 8. So we are going to keep going, and we're going to do, there's already 1 there. We're going to do 2, 3, 4. 4 lines just like that on that side. And we're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to come out and make a line and then bend it on this side too. And we're going to do that 4 times, just like what we did on the other side, to make our spider's 8 legs. I'll give you some time to catch up, making your spider's legs. The next thing I want you to do is we're going to make the spider's eyes. And we're just going to draw 2 circles to give our spider some eyes. And then inside there, just a couple of dots to give the pupils of his eyes, right? All right, now we have a happy spider, of course. So we want to make a smile. And we're going to put 2 circles on the end of his smile for his dimples. All right. How's your spider so far? All right, the next thing that I'm going to add to my spider, because we're almost done with our spider, is we're going to add a little thread that's coming down, because you know that spiders spin webs. So we're going to add that little thread. Now, over here in the corner, I'm going to add a spider web just for fun. And how I'm going to do that is just like this. I'm going to draw dip strokes. And I'm going to come down here and I'm going to draw more dip strokes. And then I'm just going to keep going with my dip strokes. And I think I'll do it like 4 times. And that's big enough spider web, right? To do those dip strokes. I'll give you a second to catch up. And then you're just going to make some lines that go out from like the corner to kind of make it look more like a spider web. You think it looks like a spider web now? A little bit. So that's our Itsy Bitsy Spider. And I also want to write a sentence to go with this. And whenever I start a sentence, what kind of letter do I have to use? Right, a capital letter. So I'm going to start right here on the left side of the paper, just like I always do. And I'm going to write the word the, because I'm going to write the spider. So, how do I spell the? It's definitely one of your words. You've heard it before. Capital T. Remember, capitals at the beginning of sentences, always, always. H-E. I think I could hear you telling me T-H-E, the. And remember last week we talked about leaving those finger spaces between your words, so it makes it easier to read your sentence. The spider I think I'm going to say spins a web. The spider spins a web. Spins is my verb, right? That's my action word that my spider's doing. Leaving my finger space. Now, when you write your sentence, you can make it say whatever you want about your spider. The spider spins. And of course, you know that little word A, right? Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. The spider spins a web. Ooh, I bet you could figure out how to spell web, couldn't you? Web. What makes the W sound? I gave you a clue there. That's my W, right? Leaving a finger space. There's my W. What word says like I just couldn't hear what you said. Right, letter E. Letter E says Web. What makes that B sound? Right, like the bouncing basketball. It's letter B. Letter B says B. The spider spins a web. If my sentence is over, I let everybody know by putting that little dot called a period at the end of my sentence. That way everybody knows that my sentence is over. So, the spider spins a web. So, after you finish your directed draw of our itsy bitsy spider, I want you to think of a sentence to write underneath it, or two, and then upload your work to Schoology.